Question 52. Chlorine molecules are 1% dissociated at 975 Kelvin at a pressure of 1 atmosphere. 1% of the pressure is due to chlorine atoms. Now 1% dissociated मतलब क्या हो गया? Out of 100 moles 1 mole of chlorine is dissociated. So degree of dissociation, that is out of 1 mole कितना dissociate होगा? अगर out of 100 1 mole dissociate हुआ है तो out of 1 mole 1/100 that is 0.01 moles dissociate होगा, तो अल्फा की वैल्यू हो गई 0.01. Now in this reaction chlorine gas, now it is dissociating into chlorine atoms. 1 mole of chlorine is forming 2 moles of chlorine atoms. So अगर initially 1 mole of chlorine present था, then amount of chlorine atoms was 0. Now after some time alpha moles of chlorine dissociated to form 2 alpha moles of chlorine atoms. Now at equilibrium amount of chlorine remaining will be 1 minus alpha and amount of chlorine atoms formed will be 2 alpha. Now total moles will be equal to 1 minus alpha plus 2 alpha, which is equal to 1 plus alpha. Now it is given in the question that 1% of the pressure is due to chlorine atoms. What is the meaning of 1% of the pressure is due to chlorine atoms? It means that if the total pressure is 100 atmosphere, then 1 atmosphere is the pressure due to chlorine atoms. So if total pressure is 1 atmosphere, then the pressure due to chlorine atoms is 1/100, that is 0.01 atmosphere. Here in the question total pressure is 1 atmosphere and 1% of the pressure is due to chlorine atoms. So partial pressure of chlorine atoms is 0.01 atmosphere. Now total pressure is the sum of pressure of chlorine molecules and the chlorine atoms, and this is equal to 1 atmosphere. Therefore pressure due to chlorine molecules will be equal to 1 minus pressure due to chlorine atoms, that is 0.01, and this is equal to 0.99 atmosphere.